I found a lot of large cents, and right there in that hole was about 10 years ago. A friend of mine found 8 large cents, and I found a 1777 half real. But right here I just got a shotgun shell, pretty good signal. I'm trying this new Deus Deus 3.2 in this site. I haven't tried it here before. I just dig up something pretty good. That's pretty cool. Looks very old. I'm not sure if that's a knee buckle or a shoe buckle or what it is, but it definitely looks like it's from late 1700s. Dug down about 4 or 5 inches and got a little buckshot. Man, I just dug down about 8 inches. And I got looks like a button. Yeah, it's a flat button. Kind of pewter looking, I think. Yeah, I just dug down about 6 or 7 inches and got a pistol bullet. I'm about 50 to 100 yards away from that other site. All the junk I got today. It's a place I pounded for about 15 years. And I was surprised with the new program. I was able to pick out even more stuff. Didn't find a whole lot today, and I just lost one of my the bucking ball. I guess that's the bullet. Dropped on the floor and I can't find it. But here's a nice little button I got. A nice shank. And I got this. This is pretty cool. Real nice buckle. You usually don't find them intact like this. It looks like a suspender buckle or something, only a very early one. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.